Yo, what if I told you the Caribbean had real-life heroes who changed the world, and nobody talks about them?
Change the world.
These aren't fairy tale heroes. These are leaders, fighters, thinkers, born on islands just like you.
And they didn't have superpowers. They were the superpower.
Meet Nanny of the Maroons, a warrior queen who outsmarted the British using the land, strategy, and pure courage.
Hey, she knew the mountains like I know snacks.
She protected her people and proved leadership isn't about size, it's about strength. This is Toussaint Louverture. He led the only successful slave revolution in history.
Wait, the only one. That's not history, that's legendary.
Only. Haiti showed the world that freedom is non-negotiable. Then there's Marcus Garvey, who taught millions to believe in themselves.
Confidence level sky high.
He reminded people everywhere, know who you are and where you come from. Sir Lynden Pindling helped lead the Bahamas to independence.
Captain Freedom.
He proved that leadership can be calm, smart, and powerful. These heroes didn't wait to be chosen.
They saw a problem and said, not today.
And that's how real heroes are made. The next Caribbean hero could be you.
Yeah, you. Don't click away.